I've gone back to the driver's side. This is the one where the junction box was attached to this, with the realization that another thing that's keeping the orange protective plate in place is that these are going to have to slip through a little slot at the top of this, and I need to kind of lift them up gingerly. Don't want to snap them. Okay, there's the top row. Working on the middle row, trying to be ginger, not redheaded. Trying to be careful. Really don't want to snap that off. Don't know how I would fix that stick if I snapped off its connector. But it's sort of required that I lift the thing up in order to access the sticks, just in case it's that nomenclature is confusing. This is an IMA battery, which consists of 20 sticks. Each stick has 6 battery cells, which is 120 cells. So this is where you see the 20 sticks on the ends of the connectors that go into them. That's an idea. Use this wire here to kind of keep the tab up so that I can remove the orange plate. It worked out nicely. That's nicely this time. Okay. Okay. As I'm doing this, I'm thinking in the back of my mind about what do I do in the case that I actually end up snapping one of these guys off. I think I'd have to replace the entire metal strip. Okay, last one. Okay, now all of the wires are out. Should be able to pull this out, but I have a sneaking suspicion that I can't. I'm going to see about, maybe I can halfway put this into the board and pull. I don't know if that, no, that wouldn't help at all. It doesn't actually grab onto the board, it just grabs onto the screw, tapered in behind it. Or not tapered, what's the word? The nutted part, I guess. Okay, off camera, I'm gonna mess with this a little bit and trying to figure out how to remove it. And then I'll remove it on camera. All right, while I was messing with it, I discovered there is a little slot right here. And as I put the tip of the screwdriver, just a flat slotted screwdriver, behind it and did a fulcrum, it came popping out. But I want to be very careful because it's got a bunch of connectors. I don't want to break any of the connectors. What is that noise? All right. See if I can grab this end and pull. Okay. There we are. I've managed to pull off this end. That's what it looks like. Here, get it in view. There's the whole thing. So this connects to the two boxes above that normally sit on top of the sticks. And here we have the standard hexagonal and square pattern alternating. Okay, I'm going to put this off to the side. All right, we're getting there. I removed this from the junction, from the protective board. This is I believe it's the positive. It connects right here. And this is the negative. Here, let's see if I can move. This is the negative. It's a lot shorter. The remaining wires we have here are green, white, green and white, yellow, and looks like blue. Yes. I have to figure out how to disconnect those without breaking anything. I know that some of these wires go to thermal sensors inside the case here, and those are kind of fragile, so you have to be careful about removing these wires. Here's the green one. How do I remove this? Here's the white one. I notice a lot of corrosion on that board. It looks like we've got some corrosion here. All right, let's ignore the corrosion for now and see about removing these. Every one of these is a stick. Talked about that earlier. Let's remove these sticks. Okay. I'm trying to figure out exactly which ones have thermal sensors and which ones don't. I'm going to see if I can remove this. Oh, very slowly. Comes right out. Oop. Let's see at the other end what's going on. Oh, yeah. Once you start pulling it, it's a one-way trip, unless you've All right. still concerned that there's a thermal sensor in there. I don't want to snap it or anything. I'm going to verify that I'm not damaging anything off camera. All right, this is the other side. As I pulled that guy out, I noticed that the little tab that is connected to the green protective barrier, I guess, it was fine. It was going along just fine. But when I pushed it back, it got bent down. So I had to go in with with a screwdriver and lift it up over, because there's little ridges that once you get going one way, if you push it back the other, it will push that connector right here. Oh, sorry. Right here, down, which makes it very hard to continue pushing back. So I fished it out with a screwdriver, and now I really want to find out which ones of these sticks have thermal sensors and which ones don't, because I think that might hang up the process of removing the sticks. Also, I should also make all of these guys horizontal so that they don't have the exact same reaction as that first guy.